Because why?
Because they can't come.
Who can't come?
Harry Rain and
Aunt Amanda.
Amanda and Gomel.
And baby Casey.
And baby Casey.
Why do you want them to come? What did you say that they were?
They were their house.
And they're your friends, you said.
Yeah.
And you started crying.
Yeah.
Why did you start crying? Because why?
Because they can't come over.
Do you love them?
Yeah.
Do you miss them so much?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Blow them sugar. Say, I love you guys. Now show them your muscles. Show Amanda your muscles. Mina's gonna see this. You gotta show her your muscles. Oh man, and Allie Rain. Show Allie Rain too. You wanna sing Allie Rain a song?
Happy, don't. You're my sunshine. You're my sun. You're my girl. You're my sun. You're my girl. You're my son. Happy day.
Aww. What about Flynn Rider's song? She'll know.